Good morning guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be sharing with you my morning cleaning routine. So we've already had breakfast. Aiden is taking his first nap of the day. Kaylee is playing in her room. I'm going to get started first here in our bedroom like usual. I'm going to be making the bed, but I will be changing out the sheets first, putting some fresh ones on, and then just cleaning up in here a little bit, moving on into the rest of the rooms, cleaning up the restroom, the living room, as well as the kitchen. So this is pretty much going to be a whole house clean with me. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you, we'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I missed your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday, holiday. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just wanna have a holiday, yeah, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday.
Aiden is awake now, so let's go ahead and turn his sound machine off. Hi, good morning, mi amor. Get you out of here. Oh no, are you hungry? Vamos a darte de comer y cambiarte el pañal. Sí. Aiden, ¿dónde está mi amor? ¿Dónde estás? Cosita hermosa. You're so cute. You're so cute, mi amor. Niño guapo, hermoso, precioso. ¿Dónde está mi amor? Y mommy's little peanut. See, are you mommy's little peanut? Yeah. I love you. I love you. Okay, let's change your diaper, okay? ¿Te cambiamos tu pañal? Sí. Sí, papá hermoso. I love you. Yeah. Ahí voy, mi amor. Oh no. Okay, let's throw the diaper away and clean some more, okay? Mwah. I love you. Mwah. Throw the diaper away.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold. Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see everybody else's dream. What a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all. Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. a deal when I think about it now. We should never be afraid to believe in it somehow. Cause we're only human after all. Nothing can make us fall apart.
I am getting ready to wrap some Christmas presents, and I have these boxes here that I've been saving for that purpose exactly, but these are too big, so I just found this box for this balloon pump we have. So I'm going to be using this. Let me know if anybody else just uses random boxes throughout the house for your gifts, but yeah, I'm going to be putting this in there. So let's go ahead and get some Christmas presents wrapped, right, Kaylee? Yeah. So I am going to get those Christmas presents wrapped before we move on to cleaning this living room that is definitely in need of some cleaning.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
Yay! Vamos a recoger, vete.
Chilling and having.
Clean up.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time and dance.
Yeah, pretend like you're gonna leave. Just one shot of Hennessy. Next thing you're all over me, all over me. We act like we're hard to get, but we know this is imminent. Cause we keep falling right into it, right into it. Oh, we were only fun till you show me love. You bring me up into the place I love, the place I love. I can't control myself because I'm very dust. 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 I can't control myself because I'm very dust.
I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. I know you're miles away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy? Just wanna call you up and tell you how I feel. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. Drunk in room 308, and it's getting kinda late. I wish I could just call you up. I'm alone in room 308. Yeah, are you awake? Wish I could call you. I'm gonna call you. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. C'est la vie. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your
And that is all for this morning's cleaning routine. Aiden is down for his second nap of the day, and little Miss Kaylee over here needs to go down for her nap. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.